Add item advanced. Start by typing a unique product number. You can also enter a vendor's product number. Choose a vendor by selecting from the drop-down. Or you can type the first few letters, then press the down arrow on your keyboard. If this is a new vendor, you can add it on the fly. Click the vendor button. Then click Add. Type a vendor ID and the vendor's full name. Then click OK. Fill in as much of the vendor's information as you need. When you are finished, click Close. Then click Bye-bye. Type the product's description. Enter a color code for the product and press Tab. If this color code has already been entered, but the color description is not accurate for your product, check Color Description by Product. You can then change the color description and it will be applied to this product only. Other products entered with this color code will not be affected. Enter the cost of the product. VRP can calculate a retail based on margin percentage. Type the profit margin and the retail will be calculated automatically. If you like, you can edit the retail to make it a standard price. Or you can enter a retail price and VRP will calculate the margin. Enter an MSRP and wholesale price if necessary. Check commission if sales reps can earn a commission on this product. Check service if this is not an inventory item but rather a service. Then choose a tax rule. To see how the tax rules are set up, press the Tax Rule button. Currently, you can see that Rule 0 is set up as no tax and Rule 1 is set up as a 7% flat tax. You can set a new tax rule by pressing New Rule. To do this, give your rule an ID. You can choose a store or leave this blank for all stores. Assign an effective date range, then decide if this will be a flat tax or bracketed tax. For a flat tax, enter an authority. This is for your use, so assign something that makes sense to you. Then enter a percentage. All products assigned to this rule will be charged this tax percentage. For a bracketed tax, enter the regular tax percentage and assign an authority. You can then stipulate that if the dollar amount is below a specific amount, a different tax will be charged. In this example, the regular sales tax for this authority is 4%, but any products using this tax rule that are under $100 will be charged 0% sales tax. Click OK Add when finished. Then bye-bye. Next, choose a group, subgroup, or sub-subgroup from the drop-downs. If you need to create a new group, subgroup, or sub-subgroup, you can enter it on the fly. In this example, we will use an existing group and subgroup, and we will type a new sub-subgroup. Click Yes to confirm that you want to add the new category. Then choose a size scale. You can add a size scale on the fly by clicking Scale. In the last line with the star next to it, enter a name for your scale. Then enter the sizes. Click the empty row beneath your scale to save it. You can enter a new will by clicking the Will tab. Follow the same steps of assigning a name and entering the widths, inseams, or lengths. When you are finished, click Bye-bye. Now choose your new size scale from the drop-down. and choose your new will if necessary. You can choose if this item is a final sale, VIP eligible if you have a customer loyalty program, fractional, can be sold on your website, is allowed to be discounted, must have a customer assigned when sold at the point of sale, is allowed to be placed on layaway, is allowed to be special ordered for a customer, or is allowed to have a coupon applied to it. You can assign a tag design that will be automatically applied if you print tags for this product. You can also designate a minimum order amount if applicable. If this vendor has different brands, you can enter a brand by selecting it from the drop-down or typing it. If you type a brand that does not exist in the drop-down, it will be added. If this product belongs to a particular season, you can enter a season. This works just like brand. If you type a new season, it will be added to the drop-down. You can click brand or season to maintain these selections. Highlight the brand or season you want to change, then click Maintain Brand or Maintain Season. Type the new title, then click OK. Then click Bye-Bye. You can assign a mix and match by selecting one from the drop-down. You can click the Mix and Match button to add a new one on the fly. To learn more about Mix and Match, please view the separate training clip. For regular products, you do not need to choose a product type. Select scale if your item will be weighed, or serialized if you need to assign specific serial numbers. If the By Store box is checked, then you can select the stores for which you want this product to be created. Click Screen Setting to choose default screen settings. You can define a tax rule and select which checkboxes you would like checked. If you selected specific stores, you can save the store selections. When you are finished, click Save. Now you can prepare items and add UPCs. Or click Create and have VRP assign system-generated UPCs. Then click Assortments to assign manufacturer's UPCs if necessary. When finished, click Bye-Bye to return to the VRP main menu.